Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this mini desk fan, bladeless, from Silvercrest. Pleasant cooling effect thanks to the even air distribution, with LED display shows the speed settings and the timer, with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Summer is here, we need to cool ourselves. This is the smaller edition, you can buy and the larger, with a length 1 meter. This is about 50 centimeter. Included at the box we have the power adapter with 2 meters cable, 24 volt, 1 amp, 24 watts power consumption, and of course included we have and the manual. At the base you can connect the power adapter, silicone pads at the base, it will stay very secure at any surface. At the front we have the LCD display with the 4 buttons, the on-off button here, the timer, oscillation and the speed. And of course here it is the air outlet around. So let's plug it in and see how it works. Touch buttons. Nice, I can feel the air. Speed. This is the maximum. 10 speeds. Very pleasant the sound at the first. And maximum. And rotation. Fast response with the buttons. We have a steady base and it rotates all the unit. The LCD displays, it turns off after a few seconds. If I will touch any button, it will turn on again. Resuming. And of course I can use and the timer. 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 hours the maximum. And off. At this small model it doesn't have a remote control, but at the larger model it has a remote control, because this is a desk mini bladeless fan, so they don't include the remote control. If you want you can buy the larger and you will have and remote control. This sleek and modern fan is a fantastic addition to any workspace or home, offering a blend of style, safety and efficiency. Its innovative bladeless design ensures safe operation and easy cleaning. The fan delivers a smooth and consistent airflow, making it perfect for keeping you cool while you are work or relax. The fan's multiple speed settings, which allow you to customize the airflow to your liking. Whether you need a gentle breeze or a more powerful airflow, this fan has you covered. The quiet operation ensures that it won't disturb your work, sleep or conversations. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to place on any desk or table, and its stylish appearance complements any decor. Additionally, the fan's energy efficient operation means you can stay cool without worrying about high energy bills. If you are looking for a reliable and stylish way to stay cool, the Silvercrest Bladeless Mini Desk Fan is an excellent choice. Its combination of safety, performance and aesthetics makes it a standout option for any room. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more product reviews and lifestyle tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Bladeless Mini Desk Fan, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.